Did you know that you can make money online by simply copying and pasting? Who would have thought? This method works worldwide and this is available for free. In order to start with this method, you don't need any writing skills at all. You don't need any equipment for this method to work. Also, somewhere in this video, I will be sharing another platform where we can earn double or triple. So I want you to stick with me until the end and not skip any part, so you won't miss out on important details. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Please make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's get back to the video. So today I'll show you how you can earn money just by copying and pasting. So we won't go straight to the platforms which will pay us, but we will need to visit this website first, okay? So this one here is a site where you can find thousands of different blog posts and articles, and they are all for free. I know that there are a lot of different websites which also have articles for free and blog posts, but do you know what makes this website special? Is that they give you full rights to do whatever you want with the articles. No questions asked. You can claim that you're the author. You can edit the article. You can even sell these articles and make money out of them. You know what? You can do whatever you want with them. This is exactly the reason why I introduced you this website. Because with this, we can just copy everything and just paste it somewhere else and then we can make money. This website is called ezinearticles.com. Again, that's ezinearticles.com. Now, as you can see right here, they have a lot of different article categories just for you. So we have here arts and entertainment, business, computer and technology, gaming, home-based businesses, internet and businesses online, legal, real estate. We have relationships. They also have travel and leisure. We have here finance, health and fitness, home improvement, and so much more. Bottom line is, they have a lot of different categories which you can choose from. Alright, now, so for the sake of this video, I will be choosing relationships. And you can choose whatever you want here, okay? This is just an example of how we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna show you that, okay? Now I've chosen relationships. Let me go click on that. And as you can see here, they have a lot of subcategories like commitment, cross-cultural, divorce, enhancement, long distance, online dating, reconnecting, wedding. They have affairs, friendship, love, post-divorce, sexuality, dating for boomers. They also have that. Wow. They have marriage and so much more. So imagine, this website already has a lot of different categories and each category has a lot of different subcategories. So you will never run out of articles. You will never run out of topics and blog posts. This is what I love about this website as well. Okay, so right now let me click on this subcategory, which is online dating. And the reason why I chose this is because this has been really popular lately. I mean, with all the pandemic thing going on, with people being locked down in their own houses, I mean, online dating is one of the most frequent thing that has been happening right now. So let me just click on that. And then I'll be redirected to this page right here where there are a lot of different articles you can find. What I also love about this is that these are all professionally written. Now, if we go over here, you can see that this may have like 10 to 15 articles on the first page, and that's just on the first page. If you scroll down below, you can see that there are over 300 pages, and that is a lot. You will never ever run out of articles with this. And if you look at here at the right side, you can see that the estimated number of articles are over 7,000. And that's not just it. Look at here. Relationships has over 10,000 articles. Affairs, 12,000 articles. And you know what? Look at this. Conflict, 66,000 articles. Dating has over 58,000 articles. That is a lot. So, again, whatever you want. You can choose whatever you like here, and then the opportunity in this method is unlimited. Okay, so imagine, what if we combine this website to another platform which will pay you $5 per article? Imagine how many thousands of dollars you can make. Imagine the possibilities. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open one article. And again, you can open whatever you want. This is just for the sake of this tutorial. So let me click on this one right here, how to create an online dating profile. So let me just open that one up. And then we'll be redirected to this page right here. You can see this is the author, and then this right here is the article, and it's a long one. I mean, not really that long, but you can see that this is professionally written. What we're going to do next is we're going to rewrite the article. Okay, I've told you that you can do whatever you want with this article, but it just hits different if you edit it, if you paraphrase it. It just adds originality, and it'll be a new article, right? And since I mentioned that we have to rewrite it, you don't have to worry at all, okay? Because we will be using a tool. We will be using another website which will help us paraphrase the whole article. So stick with me and we'll get to that. If you like the video so far, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That said, let's go back to the video. So right now what I want you to do is go over to Quillbot.com. Again, that's Quillbot.com. So Quillbot is a free website, a free tool that will help us paraphrase whatever article we put in here or whatever sentence we put in here. This is one of the best paraphrasing tools out there, but there's a catch. Let me paste a part of the article here, and you can see that the characters are limited to 400, but if you sign up, it'll be up to 700 characters. I know that it's not a lot of characters, but that shouldn't be a problem, and that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy a few lines from the article and paste it here, right? And then we're gonna go back again and get another few lines of the article and paste it again here. I know it'll take a little bit of time, but it's way faster than you rewriting it yourself. So once we copy a part of the article and then paste it here, we're gonna click on paraphrase. Then all you have to do is rinse and repeat. Do it until you finish the whole article. And that'll be easy. Don't worry. Then when you're done paraphrasing everything, what you're gonna do next is you're going to check for errors. Okay, I've told you that Quillbot is one of the best paraphrasing tools out there, but it's still a software, so there will be errors. So I need you to take time for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes to check on the errors, to check on the grammatical errors, or maybe there are punctuation mark errors and all. Now when you're done paraphrasing, when you're done checking the errors, what we're gonna do next is something that we will love. But before we proceed, I want you guys to comment down below which country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online which will work on your country. That said, let's go back to the video. We will proceed to the platform which will actually pay us. I will be showing you multiple platforms where we can make money online, but for now I'm gonna show you this platform, and this is Conquer.io. Now, what is Conquer.io? Conquer.io is another freelancing website where you can sell your services, just like Fiverr or peopleperhour.com. But why am I showing this website to you? The reason is, Conquer.io is far less competitive compared to Fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com or other freelancing websites. That means that you can earn more money by selling those articles here. Alright, now that we're on this page right here, what I want you to do is click on Make Money for you to sign up. The sign up process is really easy, and as always, all you have to do is enter a username, your email, your password, confirm your password, and then click I'm not a robot. And then after that, click on sign up. Then when you're already logged into your account, all you have to do is create a gig like these people here on Conquerio. And if you look at here, you can see that people are selling their writing services for $5 at least. This may not seem a lot to you, but keep in mind that there are thousands of articles under categories and the subcategories, so you will never ever run out of articles to write or to sell. Imagine selling at least 100 articles. That's already $500. And imagine selling 1,000 articles. That's $5,000. You see, this is a really great idea in making money online because, for example, someone will reach out to you from Conquer.io or from any freelancing website out there asking you to write an article on a specific subject or a topic. All you have to do is go to this website right here, search for the category or like what category is it in, and then search for the subcategory, and then all you have to do is paraphrase it and then send it back to your client. Easy peasy. I also have another website here for you which is similar to Conquer.io, and that is SEOclerk.com. Basically, it's the same with other freelancing websites, it's just that the competition on these websites are really low, so the chances of you getting paid real high is very big. Basically, what you're gonna do is just the same with other freelancing websites out there. All you have to do is sign up for an account, and once you log in, create a gig like all these other people here, and then wait for clients to contact you. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.